So your DMR says starting at 6 a.m., a bus stops at my street corner every 10 minutes. Also, starting at 6 a.m., a taxi cab comes by every 12 minutes. What is the next time both a bus and a taxi are at the corner at the same time? Okay, so your key words here are when are they going to be at the corner at the same time? Hold on. So at the same time. So I'm going to highlight that. And they want to know when both the buses and taxi will be there together. That's the other key word. So for that, we know we're doing LCM. So we have to make our T charts. We have to put 12. Then if I'm scrolling over, I have to put 10. And then I put my text boxes below so I can list my multiples of both numbers. So I'm going to start with 10, and I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now if you're asking how I got those, remember it's 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, and so forth. That's how I get it. That's how you get your multiples. So now we have to do 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. And 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. But I'm going to stop. And the reason I'm going to stop is because I see a 60 and a 60. So that's 60 minutes that have gone by. So if they're starting at 6 a.m., okay, and they both are going through, they want to know a specific time. So the time that they're going to be there is an hour after 6. So what's an hour? Because there's 60 minutes in an hour. So if there's an hour after 6, we're going to say it's going to be 7 o'clock in the morning. Because they wanted to know what time. They don't want to know the minutes. They want to know the time that it's going to be there. Okay, so you would say 7 a.m. So that's DMR for today.